So here is the headphone. You see this is fold. Okay, now let me open it. Okay, now I have connected the headphone, and then let me connect with my smartphone. My smartphone is here. Let me connect it. Okay, and let me listen to the music. Wow, I mean the headphone is quite comfortable. It's quite comfortable. The bass is beautiful. It sounds quite good. I'm literally quite happy. Can I recommend? This is a must buy. I'm happy. Okay, my smartphone fell down. My smartphone fell down. Anyways, a must buy. I mean look at it. I mean look at it. Yeah. Okay, okay, yeah, the headphone cable come out. Look at it. I mean, I think it's beautiful. It's a must buy. Subscribe and buy.
لست للفردوس آلا ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي